Well, hello everyone. Welcome back. Hope you're enjoying the channel so far. In today's video, I am going to be talking about another app that can make your time observing much more efficient or just it's great for general educational purposes. The app that I'll be talking about today is simply titled Gas Giants. Now you might be wondering, well, you probably already guessed what it's about. But it's an app that actually gives the position of the gas giant, which is more applicable to Saturn because as Saturn goes through its rotation around the sun, where the rings are located as it appears to Earth does change. Some years the rings are tilted toward Earth or tilted away from Earth, and you can actually see them. Some years the rings are actually parallel to Earth, and you can't see them. Well, this app allows you to see that position, and it allows you to do it through different telescopes. Well, you have to set which telescopes and eyepieces you have, but it also allows you to look at or see where the moons of the gas giants are in relation to how it would be viewed through a telescope and eyepiece. I think it's a really great app. You can look and see, say, if you're talking about Jupiter, if all the Galilean moons are out, or whether they're eclipsing or behind a particular planet. Then it helps you before you go out and set everything up to see, okay, I want to look at Jupiter, all the Galilean moons are out, I can look at them, or, you know what, I want to look at Jupiter, but only Europa is out. I kind of don't want to see that. So I think this is a very good app, and next is the review. Hope you enjoy it. All right, so here's the app. It is Gas Giants. You can get it on the App Store or the Google Play Store. And as you can see, it allows you to select between the different gas giants, but it also allows you to move forward in time to see where the moons are respective to that planet are going to be located. So it will be visible, eclipsing, or eclipse based on the color as you rotate the planet with your finger. And I think this is a really great feature. But another thing that it allows you to do is that it allows you not only to move a few hours ahead, but a few months or years ahead, which is really great because it allows for planning as to when you want to see particular moons of a planet. This is really great as it relates to the Galilean moons for Jupiter or Saturn's moons. Not as great for Uranus and Neptune because, in all honesty, those are really far away. And oftentimes, well, not oftentimes, but they look like stars. They're really not that great to look at out of your telescope. It's just not worth the effort. But Jupiter and Saturn, this app is wonderful. And you can see it's the same thing for Saturn because it allows you to rotate them, although its moons are not as prominent as Jupiter's. You can still see some of them. And you also notice that the rings of Saturn, 2025, they'll be more parallel to Earth, as I mentioned previously. But here I am going to do the same exercise with Saturn. With Uranus, it's so far away. I recommend it's really not worth it. Most of the telescopes that you can get are not powerful enough to see it. And it's the same with Neptune. It's the same thing. You move forward back in time, so far away, it's just not worth it. But another feature this app has is that not only does it allow you to move forward in time, it allows you to select the telescope, the eyepiece, which allows you to see what it would look like through a particular eyepiece. So if you have a telescope, eyepiece, you can actually set it up so how it would appear for your telescope. Again, great for planning, and you can see me play around with it, see if you'll be able to see it for the different gas giants as you set it up. Overall, I think this is a really great app. Neptune and Uranus aren't that great. Really not gonna knock it, but I do recommend this app. I think it would be really good to have, especially Jupiter and Saturn, since those are very prominent. People love looking at those. Again, overall, I recommend this app. I hope you get it, and good skies and good viewing. Hope to see you again.